Today's lesson will be focusing on phrasal verbs. We will learn how to use these common phrases to express ourselves more naturally and effectively in English. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and improve your speaking skills. Get on. Get on. Please get on the bus. Please get on the bus. I am getting off the bus. I am getting off the bus. Get off. Get off. I am getting off the airplane. I am getting off the airplane. Please get off the airplane. Please get off the airplane. Get up. Get up. I get up from the bed. I get up from the bed. They get up late on weekend. They get up late on weekend. Grow up. Grow up. All plants like to grow up toward the sunlight. All plants like to grow up toward the sunlight. I grew up in UK. I grew up in UK. Pick up. Pick up. She pick up the phone. She pick up the phone. Can you pick up pen for me? Can you pick up pen for me? Run away. Run away. You can run away from the situation. You can run away from the situation. The thief had run away when the policeman came. The thief had run away when the policeman came. Get out. Get out. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the taxi. Get out of the taxi. Take out. Take out. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. How many teeth did the dentist take out? How many teeth did the dentist take out? Look after. Look after. I look after my brother. I look after my brother. Please look after my luggage for a minute. Please look after my luggage for a minute. Eat out. Eat out. He eat out for lunch every day. He eat out for lunch every day. We eat out once a week. We eat out once a week. Look for. Look for. I look for my keys. I look for my keys. She looks for a new job. She looks for a new job. Tear up. Tear up. Why did you tear up that letter? Why did you tear up that letter? Just tear up the contract and be done with it. Just tear up the contract and be done with it. Fill in. Fill in. Fill in your name and address. Fill in your name and address. Throw away. Throw away. She threw away expired food. She threw away expired food. I threw away the broken toy. I threw away the broken toy. Drop. Drop. I throw up after eating. I throw up after eating. I I feel like I am going to throw up. I feel like I am going to throw up. Workout. Workout. I work out at the gym. I work out at the gym. She works out every morning. She works out every morning. Wake up. Wake up. She wakes up early every day. She wakes up early every day. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. Put on. Put on. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Put on your coat. Put on your coat. Take off. Take off. Take off your book. Take off your book. He takes off his jacket when he gets home. He takes off his jacket when he gets home. Argue with. Argue with. I argue with my sister. I argue with my sister. She argue with her friends. She argue with her friends. Clean up. Clean up. He clean up after the party. He clean up after the party. I need to clean up the kitchen. I need up to clean the kitchen. Write down. Write down. She writes down the recipe. She writes down the recipe. I write down my thoughts. I write down my thoughts. Break down. Break down. My car broke down on the highway. My car broke down on the highway. My washing machine broke down. My washing machine broke down. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye kids.